Hi everyone, welcome to Debug Vlogs. So lots of question I'm receiving from you guys that about that LOA. Many candidates are confused like whether this is a kind of bond or what exactly, how to fill it and what exactly I have to fill. So let me explain everything. So in this video I'm going to explain all thing about that letter of authorization, or you can say LOA. So LOA is a kind of a verification documents, that background verification documents. Many candidates are confused like whether this is a kind of bond or what exactly. I will explain in this video, so stay tuned for this. So let me explain few things like what is exactly that LOA, that letter of authorization. Actually, during your BGP process, your HR person will ask you to sign a documents, which is nothing but this LOA, which is all about that declaring yourself that regarding all the education details and all over the details that is correct from your best knowledge. So the basic role of this letter is to provide your signed statement that state that your all documents that you have provided to Cognizant are true, or best of your knowledge that it is true. So this is why it is needed. So this is the sample, like this is exactly that sample of letter of authorization. It would be like look like something like this. So as in this letter of authorization, it is explained that you have to fill this form. So simply you can fill it by printing this form, and physically you have to sign and fill it whatever it is needed, like name and parent name, age and all, and address and all. You have to fill it out, and after filling it you have to scan it and you have to submit as per your background verification concern. So these documents generally it's explain whatever the details you have provided, whatever the documents you have provided to Cognizant is true, like there is no any falsified or anything. So simply many candidates are confused like whether this is a bond or what. So no, this is not at all, it is not a bond. And one more thing, CTS doesn't have any bond. Like if you join as a fresher or and as a can experience as well, you don't have to sign any bond. Like let's say in a particular XYZ company there is some 1.5 year of bond. So in that, within that period you can't leave that organization, because they spend on you, like on your training, on your upskilling thing. They expend that particular amount. So there is option how you can break that bond. I will let you know in another video. So this is all about like whatever that LOA is concerned. So you can fill it out whatever it is information, like I in place of this blank space you have to fill your name. SO means son of your parent name, aged like 25 24, and having my address at whatever your address is there. So this is all about this form. You have to sign it. After filling this form you can scan it through your mobile phone as well. So with that, this is all about this LOA. So in this way you can submit it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing this for more videos. So in next video I will explain assimilation test, what exactly you have to do in assimilation test, what are the question. I will give sample question as well. So I will explain everything, like pattern and all, everything I will explain regarding that assimilation test. So if you have joined recently that Cognizant, you have to pass that assimilation test for full stack engineering role. So let's meet in next video. Stay tuned for this. Till then, take care.